Take a look at the weather now, and Tom, we're seeing the start of a wild week of storms.
Jeremy, the rumbling skies will continue and there's the risk of further heavy falls and flash flooding. Now, Sydney was slammed today by torrential rain up to 48 millimetres in 1 hour, and regional New South Wales was also lashed by intense storms, including this hailstorm just south of Bathurst at around 4 p.m. Today's rain followed heavy falls on Sunday on the Central Ranges. In the 24 hours to 9 a.m, Orange received 63 millimetres. Their monthly total now exceeds 170 millimetres. Since 9 a.m, some of the higher totals include 28 millimetres at Port Macquarie and 25 in Coffs Harbour. For Sydney, today was notable in that the storms arrived from the southeast as opposed to their regular arrival from the west. They were slow moving and full of moisture off the Tasman Sea. 57 millimetres at Little Bay and Kings Langley. 8 millimetres in the city is only to 12:30, after which the storms knocked out the Observatory Hill weather station. Now, that humidity brought another sticky night. The low of 22 was 4 degrees above the average. Tops today reached 26 in the city, 24 in Wollongong and Gosford, up to 28 in the west. Last night was cool over the southwest and it was muggy right across the east. Now, maximums today were also warm across the west up to the mid-30s, but cooler under cloud over the east. On the satellite then, ex-tropical cyclone Lincoln is generating cloud and rain across the northern interior, while the storms are clearly visible across our state. On the chart tomorrow, it's more of the same. A humid flow off the warm Tasman Sea will generate the optimal conditions for further showers and thunderstorms. Around the country, storms possible for the east coast. Now, Perth 39 degrees after their suburbs today climbed as high as 46. A few storms will continue overnight around the Sydney region. Tomorrow, though, well, they'll develop again through much of the east, although the activity will be less widespread than today. For the northeast tomorrow, still a high chance of showers and the chance of storms, which could be severe. The main threat is flash flooding. Now, for the southeast, a medium chance of showers and storms on the south coast and through the western southern tablelands, grading to a high chance elsewhere, and severe storms are possible for the Illawarra and the central tablelands. To the west, then, the chance of showers and storms on the slopes and plains, but a mostly sunny day further west and again climbing to the mid-30s. On the waters, winds from 10 to 20 knots and seas around 1 metre. Now, for Sydney, possible storms overnight, particularly near the coast. Mostly cloudy tomorrow and humid. There's a high chance of showers and thunderstorms, possibly severe, although on average less rain than today. 20 to 26 for the city, highs from 24 to 27 elsewhere. The sun will rise at 6:33, and ahead a shower or two Wednesday and a possible storm, 27 to 29. Thursday, shower or two, possible storm, 32 to 34. Friday, very warm with showers and storms. That's ahead of a late southerly change, leading to a cooler weekend, Jeremy.
Tom, thank you. Here's Sarah Ferguson for you now with 7:30.